So the final part of this question is to display the data in a frequency histogram, describe the symmetry, the modality, and the skewness. So if we were to just quickly draw a very rough axis, now we can do this by class center or by each interval. So we're going to do it by class center. So our first one here is going to be 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, 32, and 37. Now if you were doing this and write class center, because we have to label, if you were doing this for a test or an exam, we would be expected that you actually drew these with a ruler and you were labeling everything correctly, and it was not looking as wonky as this, but this just illustrates the idea. Just make sure you're scaling everything correctly as well. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 is our highest, I think. Nope. Okay, so our first one is 7. So we're going to go halfway across here, and we're going to fill that in. Our second value has 0. Our third value, 17, has 2. has 3. So as you can see, I've kind of left myself very little room here, so this is not ideal. And then we have 27 has 7, so we'll go across here. And then 32 has 18. So roughly here, and then the other one has 16. So there's our frequency histogram using class center for each one of the intervals. So that's part C. So we'll just tick. And now on to part D, describe the symmetry and the modality. So it's not symmetrical. And we have found out that it had one mode, so it is unimodal. Part E, describe the skewness. It's negatively skewed. Right? So if the tail is down here and then rises, this is a negatively skewed distribution. An easy way to remember this is that you start low. So if you're starting low, it's negative. If you're starting high, it's positive. So that's how you answer the entirety of question 3. I'll be putting up a few more of these if they're helpful. And yeah, just keep trying out the questions in relation to the textbook and anything I put on for Maths Online. Thanks.